We already talked about how motivation fades and how your environment is what really drives behavior. But today, let's take one step deeper. Because once I understood this, I started paying attention to the little things, the space around me, the way it either supported or distracted me. It's wild how much your environment matters. It's not just where you live, it's what you see, what's in reach, what's in your way. Let me give you a few things that helped me. When I kept a bottle of water on my desk, I drink more. When healthy food is the first thing I see, I eat better, automatically. When I keep my space tidy, my mind feels less chaotic. So when I charge my phone in another room, I don't scroll in bed. And when my workout gear is already set out, I don't even have to think about it. I just go. It sounds small, but that's the point. The smallest changes in your space, you can create the biggest shifts in your behavior. So here's something to think about it. What does your environment make easy? And what does it make hard? Look around at just one thing. Move the junk food, clear your desk, put the book where you see it. Leave the guitar out of the case. Make the good habits obvious and make the bad habits invisible. It's not about willpower, it's about setup. And when your space supports your goal, you don't have to push too hard. Things start to flow. You feel lighter. You make better choices without even noticing. In my next video, we are going to talk about how to track your habits visually, so you don't just hope, you are consistent. You can actually see it. Subscribe if you haven't yet.